Apple offers two compelling choices for high-performance computing: the Mac Mini M4 and the Mac Studio 2025. Each machine caters to different user needs, making it essential to compare their specifications, performance, and real-world usability to determine which one best suits your workflow. The Mac Mini M4 is a compact yet powerful desktop featuring Apple's cutting-edge M4 chip, which includes a 10-core CPU and 16-core GPU. This combination strikes a balance between efficiency and performance, making it an ideal choice for professionals such as content creators, video editors, and developers. It supports up to 24 GB of RAM and up to 2 TB of SSD storage, making it suitable for photo editing, video production, software development, and general office tasks. While official configurations for the Mac Studio 2025 remain unconfirmed, it is expected to be designed for high-end professionals handling intensive tasks like 3D rendering and massive video projects. It will likely feature an upgraded M-series chip with higher processing power and a dedicated GPU, possibly an Apple-customized Radeon Pro or another high-performance graphics solution. The Mac Mini M4 has a 3.2 GHz base clock speed, while the Mac Studio 2025 is expected to have an even more powerful chip. The Mac Studio 2025 is likely to feature a dedicated GPU, which will significantly outperform the Mac Mini M4's integrated GPU in 3D rendering, high-resolution gaming, and VR applications. The Mac Mini M4 maxes out at 24 GB of RAM, whereas the Mac Studio 2025 may support up to 64 GB or more, making it better suited for complex simulations, large-scale video editing, and advanced for video editing and graphic design. The Mac Mini M4 is optimized for applications like Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere Pro, offering smooth performance for most content creators. However, for handling 4K video, extensive effects, and large media files, the Mac Studio 2025 will provide superior performance and faster rendering times. Neither of these machines is built explicitly for gaming, but the Mac Mini M4 can handle casual and moderately demanding titles at lower settings. The Mac Studio 2025, with its likely dedicated GPU, will offer better graphics performance for more demanding games, though it still won't match a dedicated gaming PC. Benchmarks like 3D Mark suggest that the Mac Studio 2025 will score significantly higher than the Mac Mini M4 due to its dedicated GPU and enhanced processing power. A content creator working with 4K video will see faster export times, improved effects processing, and better multitasking performance on the Mac Studio 2025. The Mac Mini M4, built on Apple's ARM-based architecture, is significantly more power-efficient than the Mac Studio 2025, which requires more power and cooling due to its higher performance capabilities. The Mac Mini M4 is compact and lightweight, making it an excellent choice for professionals who need portability. It also consumes less power, making it an energy-efficient option for home and office use. While still compact compared to traditional workstations, the Mac Studio 2025 will be bulkier and more power-hungry, requiring a more robust cooling system and larger power supply. The Mac Mini M4 is ideal for those who need a compact, power-efficient machine for everyday professional tasks, moderate content creation, coding, or light video editing. It offers an affordable yet powerful option with decent performance. The Mac Studio 2025 is better suited for users working with 3D rendering, high-end video editing, or complex simulations who require higher RAM capacity, dedicated GPU performance, and faster rendering times. Ultimately, the decision depends on your specific workflow. If portability and efficiency matter most, the Mac Mini M4 is a fantastic choice. However, if you demand top-tier performance, the Mac Studio 2025 is the superior option.